So, hello, my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh, and this is the sequel of Class 10 project work for biology. Already, I have given you experiment number 1, 2, 3. Now, we will see experiment number 4. The experiment number 4 is first you have to write aim of the experiment. To study, so two experiments are there. Number 1A, binary fission in amoeba, and the second one is budding in yeast with the help of prepared slides. Slides means a glass slide which we will see through microscope. So this is the aim. We have to see how binary fission occurs in amoeba, because the reproduction system in amoeba is binary system and the reproduction of yeast is in budding system. Now, requirements. What are the requirements? The very beginning is, because they are microorganisms, microscope, prepared slides of binary fission of amoeba, and budding in yeast. Pause the camera, copy it down. Now, next, basic principles involved. Reproduction is a process by which a living organism can produce more of its own kind. It is of two types. Now, what you have to do is that after this, you have to draw this picture. Now, point number 1, two types of reproductions are there. First one is asexual reproduction. It is a common type of reproduction in lower plants and in some animals. In this type, only one organism is involved, and all division are ameiotic or mitotic process. It is a rapid mode of multiplication in which new organisms produced are genetically identical to the parents. It is of various types, as binary fission, multiple fission, budding, fragmentation, regeneration, sporulation, and vegetative reproduction. But again, vegetative reproduction is of various process. Now, sexual reproduction. It is a type of reproduction present in higher plants and most of the animals. In this type, two organisms are involved. Meiosis occurs in this type of reproduction, and organisms produced are not genetically identical to the parents. Now, procedure. Focus the slides under microscope and observe carefully, first under low power and then high power, because in microscope two types of lenses will be provided, one is with low power and one is with higher power. Note down their features, compare with figure 1 and 2 for identification. Figure 1 means which you are seeing in low power, and figure 2 means and the same figure which you see in the high power. This is of procedure. No observation. Studying is observation. Binary fission. In this type of asexual reproduction, in which two individuals are formed from a single parent and parental identity is lost. Point number 2, nucleus divides amitotically, into which is followed by the division of cytoplasm. And third, observe this type of reproduction in unicellular organism like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. So this is what of amoeba. Now second one is of budding. Here also 2 points. Here also 2 points. In this type of asexual reproduction, nucleus divides by mitosis and one of the daughter nuclei passes into the bud. Point number 2, the bud is ultimately detached from the parental cell and grows to full size new individual. And third point, this type of reproduction is common in yeast and hydra. So two diagrams will be there. In place of this, in front of this binary fission, you have to draw the diagram of amoeba, and in front of budding. So it's better if you do this whole thing in one page and this side diagram, and the another page this one and this side diagram. After diagram, what are the results? The given slides show binary fission in amoeba and budding in yeast. So while doing this experiment, what are the precautions we have to follow? Precautions. See, this whole thing is written in green. Now precautions with black pen and this thing in blue pen. First, observe the slide under low power, then high power. Always draw the label diagram, first by observing the slide under the microscope, then compare them with the diagram. So my dear students, that's all in this experiment number 4. So that's all my dear students. This is experiment number 4 in biology. So all the 4 you have to draw it in your project copy, and remember your diagram part should be very neat and clear with the label parts. So we'll see you in the another experiment. Till then, goodbye.